Hello everyone, right now I am create for Lara for multi-language. You can select for any language, for you can any language required, you can send me. I'll for implement. Right now I am for 3x section create for English, French and Bangla. So this one right now for all English show, and also for this one section I am for implement this one section and also this one section. Right now for English option already selected, and for I am detect for France. Click for France. See, already France language is activate. See, this is this all France language also, and this one also France language already. And go to for login page. See, this one for also France language. For translate for Bangla language, example click Bangla. See, already Bangla language there, you can automatically change for Bangla language. And go to this search option and also for Bangla language already implement. See, this one Bangla language already implement for already work. So I'm for everywhere for this one section, everywhere section for multi-language created. Right now I'm two section menu bar, and this one second menu bar I'm for implement for multi-language. So thank you for so much for watching my video. I hope like this video. Please subscribe my channel, and link description below. You can interest for this script, link description below.